Hi, I'm Gaurav from Vortex-RC, and today we are going to do a build video of our TuffsStar trainer. So it comes in a strong sturdy box, and we'll do a complete unboxing and build video of this. And let me start by showing you what we have on our workbench before we unbox our kit. We have our radio transmitter and a receiver for this. You can use any 4-channel onwards radio set for this plane. We have two 9-gram servos. I took them off from another plane, so we have the linkage connectors installed on it, but any 9-gram servos would be fine. You need 2 of them. You need a brushless motor, anything from 900 kV to 1500 kV would be fine. The prop we have installed is a 8-inch prop. ESC you can use 20 amp, 30 amp, any ESC. Right now we have a 30 amp ESC which we again took off from another plane to use here. Also it's helpful to use a servo tester to center the servos. On the tool side, you need a hot glue gun with a glue stick. You need a soldering iron, soldering wire. You need a screwdriver, Allen key, pliers, a scissor. You need cyanoacrylate glue for gluing the EPP parts, and a ruler for just general measurement. So let's unbox. Let's see what it contains. So everything is shrink wrapped. These are the 2 main wing panels, which will be the center part of the wing. Then there are 2 polyhedral wing tips, again shrink wrapped. There's no spar cut out on these. On the main wing, you have the spar cut out. So the fuselage is pre-cut. CNC cut with servo location, the battery location, and the wing part, and also the stabilizer cut is also cut out. And it is shrink wrapped with Coro side reinforcements and laser cut aero ply sheet, which has the battery tray and the wing joiners and the motor mount and control horns. So after this, we have some lamination. This is adhesive back lamination which will be used for the EPS wing panels. So these are adhesive sticker type sheets which we use for EPS wing lamination. Then there's the aluminium spar, and inside the spar are 2 push rods, steel push rods with Z-bend pre-bent on them, and also a carbon fiber 50 cm spar that will be used to reinforce the fuselage. There's a packet containing some small parts, which is a sandpaper, a hobby knife, and some magnets, push rod linkage connectors, 2 push rod guides, and 2 aluminium spar sections which will be glued onto the side of the main wing panels. So everything is now taken out. Now we'll start with our build now.